Tomás Saraceno creates interactive installations, floating sculptures, and community projects to propose sustainable and equitable ways of inhabiting the Earth.
I think it's the time to reinvent what a human is. You have to make the effort to change your own perspective and try to construct something which is beyond your own form of knowledge.
He advocates for a different rhythm of living, one that connects us with nature and drives us towards a post-fossil fuels era.
Really reconsider our role into kind of a much larger entangled ecosystem. Yes, there is a very difficult. Give it a chance and then try to see if you could feel comfortable with the uncomfortable.
Tomás celebrates collective existence while looking for ways to live together differently.